to take back our children. We need to raise them with common sense again. That tells you if you put your hand in the fire, it's going to burn you. Don't be dumb and do that. We need to tell them that you have to think for yourself. You have to go and watch what they are saying and test them. Ask questions. We are not allowing our kids to ask questions anymore. And whether you are on the right, the center, center right, center left, far left, that is wrong. I have to allow my children to ask questions. I need to have conversations with my children, allowing them to have differences of opinions than mine. But I need to be able to explain to them why I feel my opinion is right. And if they disagree with you, they need to tell you why they think you are wrong. And it should not go into a violent fight. I listened to someone saying, but it's okay, as long as it's not a bullet. No, it's not okay. You cannot slap someone in the face because they have a different opinion than